Alrighty guys, I already finished the project, but you can see the before and after kind of right here. But I started this last night, had to put the tripod, leave it out here overnight, and I came back today and finished. I'm going to explain what's going on with the area at the end of the video, but we're just going to get the area clean, kind of rake the leaves. We're going to have some big piles that I'm going to take out, which you'll see later. And so, yeah. Alrighty, you guys, and the area is clean. A little messy right now because we're working on building some like wooden structures and stuff out here. It's a really nice area, so it'd be nice to use in the summer, you know, just to screw around with. But yeah, the area was this was a very deep clean of the area because of this that we're doing. So you can see we've got a couple structures standing and, you know, very clean ground. We had a pile here, and a massive pile over here. I also weed eated that section down so we could get in there and stack some stuff. But you can really see the difference it makes. And it'll grow back a lot fresher because I gave it a good rake as well. So yeah, but anyway, that's the area. Got a couple rocks here from Homestake too, so, you know, pretty cool there. That is a huge rock, probably, you know, large, very large, probably almost 100 pounds. It's heavy, I can barely lift it. A little rock here. And the garbage was all dumped about right over here. So we got, you can see a lot of garbage. Look at that. That'll all kind of naturally decompose in over time, but yeah, heck of a dump there. So we'll see you guys in the next project.